Here's your first lesson in drumming without a drum set. If you're watching this, chances are you have some sort of interest in drumming, but probably thought that you needed a drum set to get started, but that's not true. You can start right here as long as you have a couch or a bed with a pillow. Bonus, if you have drumsticks. Otherwise, any utensils you can find in the kitchen, you can use them for this lesson. So let's get started. All you're going to be needing today is a pillow over here. Now this is where we're going to play our hi-hat. Now our bed or the couch, this is where we're going to play our snare. And on my foot right here, this is your kick drum or your bass drum. Do not worry about a shoe box. I only put it here because so you can hear the sound of the kick. Otherwise, you can't hear it. So you can just place them on the floor itself. All right. How do you hold drumsticks? Sometimes you're going to see people holding it this way. This is called a German grip. Sometimes you're going to see people holding it this way, French grip. Right? And there are many other grips in this world, but I'm not going to go into too detail about it because today's class is all about coordination. So I'm just going to do French grip this way today. Whenever you're holding, make sure that you're not holding it to front over here or to back where you are losing balance. So it's somewhere over here. And whenever you're hitting, make sure that you are using your wrist this way and never your arm this way. Okay, one last thing is your finger, your second finger will have a tendency to put it up here. Make sure when you notice it, tuck it back in. All right, so let's get started. Your first groove, we are going to do a basic backbeat groove. What does backbeat means? Backbeat just means that if you're counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, you're clapping on the 2 and 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so with that, we'll use our left hand, hold your stick or your chopsticks or your spoon, and we're just going to hit it right here in the middle at your snare. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And now on our kick here, you want to do the opposite. So instead of a 2, 4, you want to be stepping down on a 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? So if that's okay, let's add them both together. So you are just basically alternating your kick, your right leg, and your snare, your left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you might be a little bit overwhelmed right now, so just as a reminder, you can always pause this video whenever and practice it at your own speed. You can do as slow as you want. And when you're ready, you can come back to this video for the next step. Now, onto our hi-hat. You want to be using your right hand, and for our hi-hat, we're going to hit every 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do some combination. Let's try hi-hat with snare. Remember hi-hat, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And with snare, it's only the 2, 4. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it helps you to remember, your 1 and 3, you're going to be playing hi-hat alone. And for your 2 and 4, you're going to have to play 2 hands together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go on with our combination of hi-hat with kick. So remember, hi-hat would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And our kick is on a 1, 2, 3, 4. So with our 1 and 3, our right hand and our right leg will be doing it together. Now a 2 and 4 is just the right hand. All right, so let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's try your very first groove together. Hi-hat, snare, and kick. 3 limbs. So hi-hat, 1, 2, 3, 4. Snare, 2, 4. And your kick, 1, 3. All right? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! You're ready for a slightly more interesting groove. Remember your hi-hat when you were only playing 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these are called quarter notes. Let's do eighth notes. What that means is every number you're going to hit twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are playing at the speed that you were playing before, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do your hi-hat and your snare together. Remember, your snare is on a 2, 4. Let's do it at a much slower speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do hi-hat and kick. Remember, your kick is on a 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Final step of this video, let's put everything together. Hi-hat, snare, and kick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations! If you find yourself needing more help in today's lesson, do not worry. I will also be uploading a practice video where you can follow along. It's a much slower step-by-step incremental practice method, and I guarantee you will be able to play today's groove in no time. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!